girls, it's Sophia and
Olivia.
Today we're going to be showing you some cool tricks with our slime. I've got a big purple heavy slime and it's really cool to play with.
And it's really
So I'm going to show you how to make a bubble with your slime.
Put Sophia.
So
It's got
here we go. That's how my bubble works.
Mine is heavy as well.
And I'm also going to get a bigger bubble which I know how to make and it's going to be really cool.
And I'm going to make
Look, I'll do it again. So, boys and girls, I have not been on YouTube and I've done videos on my phone, as you might know. I've always wanted to be on YouTube, and it's really cool. And I made a bubble, as you can see, it's rising up and pop. It's pop.